Today we're talking about a phone a lot of budget buyers in the US are already waiting for, the Moto G Play 2026. If Motorola keeps following their pattern, this could be one of the best affordable phones of 2026. Let's break down the expected specs, design leaks, features, pricing, and whether you should wait for it. Motorola's G Play series always targets simple, durable designs. For 2026, we're expecting a refreshed, cleaner camera module, a thinner frame, and possibly new color options, likely blue, black, and maybe a new silver finish. Nothing too crazy, but very solid for the price. The 2026 model is rumored to feature a 6.6-inch IPS display, 1080p resolution instead of 720p, and a 90 Hz or even 120 Hz refresh rate. If Motorola pulls this off, it would be the biggest upgrade the G Play line has ever had. We're expecting Moto to move away from older entry-level processors and go with a MediaTek Helio G90 series or a Snapdragon 4 Gen 3, 4GB or even 6GB RAM, 64 to 128GB storage with microSD support. This should make everyday tasks smoother, faster, and far more reliable than previous G Play models. Camera leaks suggest a 50-megapixel main shooter and improved image processing, plus an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Still budget-friendly, but Motorola typically tunes their cameras well for natural colors. The Moto G Play 2026 is almost guaranteed to stick with a massive 5,000 mAh battery and hopefully upgrade to 15 to 20 watt fast charging. This phone is built for people who need reliable all-day battery life. Expect near-stock Android 16 with minimal bloat, Moto gestures, and maybe 2 years of updates. Nothing fancy, but clean and smooth. In the US, Motorola always tries to dominate the under $200 category. We expect pricing around $149 to $179, which would make this one of the best budget options for 2026. This is the perfect phone if you want a cheap, reliable phone, need long battery life, just want something simple for calls, social media, and streaming. If you want premium cameras or gaming performance, this won't be your phone. But for everyday users, this could be the 2026 budget king. Let me know in the comments, will you buy the Moto G Play 2026? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the full review when the phone officially drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.